How can we reconcile the production of enough food to meet the demands from a growing world population with the protection of our environment? So far, we have made good progress towards meeting this demand. Since the 1960s, the world population increased by 1.7% annually. Over the same time period, food production increased by 2.3% per year. We have achieved this mostly through new technologies, such as breeding better-yielding varieties, applying artificial fertilizers, and using pesticides. However, it is increasingly clear that these intensive farming methods have substantial problems. First, they damage the environment and threaten wildlife. Second, we are running out of cheap, non-renewable resources such as fossil fuel and phosphates needed to produce fertilizers and pesticides. Third, the yields of many crops are currently no longer increasing by means of conventional management practices. Therefore, we need to find new and sustainable solutions. Ecological intensification of agriculture presents an important opportunity to do this. Simply put, ecological intensification uses natural processes to produce more crop with less input. There is increasing evidence that ecological intensification on farms works. Management that enhances wildflowers on farms can increase crop yield or reduce the need to spray pesticides. This is because wildflowers promote crop pollinators such as wild bees and natural enemies of pests like wasps and hoverflies. Reducing soil tillage by not ploughing the land saves fuel, reduces soil erosion, increases water availability to the crop, and improves pest control. We are only just starting to understand and being able to predict the impact of farmers' activities on different services and processes. More research is needed on how much management is necessary, where and when, but for some practices, we already have enough information to be confident that they will provide a net benefit. A good example is enhancing flower abundance and richness of semi-natural habitats that are currently already present on farmland, such as roadside verges, ditch banks and hedges, which are currently often poor in flowers. Cover crops can increase soil biodiversity, prevent nutrients leaching into the groundwater, store greenhouse gases in the soil, and enhance crop yield. Farmers are willing to take risks when exploring new avenues, but they need more help to find the best directions for producing food without impacting the environment negatively. This can best be done by letting farmers show other farmers how effective nature-based solutions can efficiently be implemented on farms, and how it helps them make a living for themselves and a good life for everyone. Let's help nature help us.